Hi, I'm Eddie the Bartender with LIQUORexam.com and bartenderteas.com, here to demonstrate how to make a Seabreeze cocktail. First, take your glass, add some ice. So this is 1.5 ounces of vodka, cranberry juice, and a splash of grapefruit juice. So we'll add our vodka, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll do cranberry and a splash of grapefruit. So right now it's a Cape Cod, right? Now you have the grapefruit. And now you have a Seabreeze. If instead of you did grapefruit, you did orange juice, you would have a Madras. So they all kind of tie together. You can do a lime if you like. So it's vodka, cranberry, grapefruit. And there you have it, a Seabreeze. Again, I'm Eddie the Bartender with LIQUORexam.com and bartenderteas.com. If you're interested in bartender apparel like this, head over to bartenderteas.com. We carry a full line of hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, tank tops, hats, and accessories. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.